Hey everybody, Ryan with Von Scheller Family Experience, and we're going to take you through the installation of the lower front valance on a 2017 Ford F250. A buddy of mine had a Tremor lower valance, and he brought it over to me and said, hey, I ended up not using it. It's still brand new in the box. Do you want it? I said, yeah, I'll take it. So bought it from him, not knowing that 2017, 18, and 19 is all the same. In 2020, they changed the lower valance just slightly where the little dip downs are. So I removed the valance, went to put that one on, and found out the hard way that it doesn't fit. So I ordered a two-wheel drive one, just got that in, and here's the differences on the Tremor lower valance, the two-wheel drive valance, and then the four-wheel drive valance. About 2 inches on the Tremor, about a little over 3 inches on the two-wheel drive one, and 6 inches on the four-wheel drive one. So almost cutting it in half. So we're gonna put the two-wheel drive one on. You'll see in the video here, I already removed the old one and a little bit of kind of what we went through finding out that the Tremor one doesn't work. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy install. It won't take you long as you got the right valance. And also remember, you gotta remove the two plates. That's pretty easy to remove them. There's 2 plates. I think it just kind of keeps cars from going underneath you. Some safety feature, I'm sure. You do have to remove those. It's real easy. And here we go, check it out. All right, so we're up under here, and we got a bunch of 8mm bolts. There's a lot of them, man. I mean, there's one like every 3 inches. So we're gonna get the impact, start taking off all these 8mm and getting this huge lower air dam valance off. Right, so up at each corner you do have another 8mm that's coming down from the top, so a little harder to get into, so I'm going to either get just a little socket wrench or an open end wrench and get that taken care of at each end of the valance. Don't forget to take the speed clips out right here. There's just one on each corner. Reinstall it on the new one right there. You've got these plates that hang down. I believe these plates are for safety, like keeping kind of stopping a car from going up underneath. So there's a couple of 18mm nuts on each side. You can use a open end, something like this. This is my 15. I'm gonna try and see if I can get in here with my impact and do it. But I did the other side with my open end, and it wasn't too bad. It's kind of nice because the bolts are secured to a plate, so you don't got to worry about them spinning on the back side. So. All right, there we go. We got the two-wheel drive valance installed. It's clean, a little bit smaller. That four-wheel drive one is just a big old air dam. So this one's a little smaller, a little cleaner, makes the truck look a little higher. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Check out our other videos. Happy trucking.